To use RAM expansion on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go for the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for About Phone. And as you are here, you can find the RAM storage, so simply press on this one, and right here now you can go for the RAM expansion. As you can see, here's a switch to enable the RAM expansion. It might be enabled by default, I'm not sure though, but if it's not enabled, simply press the switch to enable the RAM expansion, and now you can set by how many gigabytes you'd like to expand your RAM memory. So here I currently have selected 16 gigabytes. You can set it to 10 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes, and after you set any of these amounts right here, you will actually have to turn off and turn back on your device. You have to restart your device, so these settings will be applied actually. So as you set up this amount, now let's press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously to turn on the power menu. And now you will simply have to drag this circle up and release your finger, and this will restart your phone. And after that, this extended RAM memory will be available for you. So that's how you can do this.